Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization by e to the power of 2x and e to the power of 2x for this one. So we have e to the power of 2x and we have x minus 1. We can do another factorization by negative number 1 in here. So s minus 1, we can do another factorization by s minus 1. Next, we need to simplify this one by this one. So we have s minus 1. And later that we put number 0 go in here. And we have negative number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.